everybody, Peg with day 28 of Artist Trading Card Today, and this is a card I was doing the other day on the live show, but I thought I'd give you the sped up version of it. I had created this last week using some dimensional products, and so I've got some edging on there and some paste that's been run through some drywall tape, and I'm just adding some color sprays now because this week's was all about distress products and distressing, and so I'm using a bunch of different sprays from Ranger's Distress line and just getting my background ready to accept my focal point, which I've dug in my stack of stuff and I found some um, digital download stickers from Gina Ahrens. And so if you're interested in her, you can check out the description box below. She has an Etsy store with all kinds of stamps and stencils and digitals and all kinds of things. So you may be interested in some of that. So I'm just pulling out pieces that I'm going to glue down. There's some more tape that I'm going to use in this, and just grabbing a few pieces of those digitals, and I'll edge that, glue it all down, and finish my card. I'll give you some final shots. I hope you've been enjoying this challenge this month. It's been a lot of fun. We've had lots and lots and lots of people participating, and just fun to see all the art coming out of it. So if you too want to see what people have been doing, use the hashtag ATCAD2020 and you can find the art. Thanks. See you again next time.